install MySQL on a server where internet access is not there. How will you do that? If internet is not there, then it is very difficult to use yum repository package, because you can download yum repository package, but think about hundreds of its prerequisite packages. That's very difficult to find out and download. In that case, how will you perform the installation? So I repeat the criteria: internet access is not there on the server, and you have uh, pack you need hundreds of packages for as prerequisites for yum. So how will you download all the packages if you want to go with the yum option? So with these restrictions, the best option is installed using generic binaries. It's like buying a ready-made dress. That is, the MySQL is already installed. That installed version of MySQL is packaged and it's available. This is the best option I have tried for my requirement. It successfly I performed the installation successfully. uh, that's my tip in this video. It's for specific to version. See, this is the format of the generic binaries package. See, it's specific to OS and version. You can download one zip file from what to say, I think I downloaded from oracle.com website. You can download the same, and you can successfully use this option. There is another option which I haven't tried, that is installing from the source. That is source code of since MySQL is open source, we have source code of MySQL available. So we need to compile use this source code and compile it on your server, on your platform, and install get MySQL executable on your server. So let's try this steps. It uses GCC, the CMake, make, all those things will be used to compile the MySQL source code on your server. So this is another option. All right, thank you.